Hello guys, my name is Sir Ike. Today we're going to be learning how to create an account on GitHub. Some people call it JIT and some call it Git, so whatever. Alright, so let's face the task straight up. I have to scroll down a bit. Yeah, here we go. Step 0. And the instruction is this. Create an account on GitHub if you do not have one already. So all you need to do is just to open up a new tab here and type in github.com and press enter. So to create a new account, you just have to go to sign up. Click on sign up. So you put your email address here and hit continue. Now here you are required to create a password. So you're going to put a unique password. If your password is not strong enough, GitHub is not going to allow you to create the account. So you just have to make the password strong enough, okay? And when you are done, just hit continue. So I'm going to choose a username. Let's get 221. That's tutorial. I'm going to hit continue. So you can choose your own username, okay? So I'll hit continue. All right, so here GitHub just want to verify your account. So what you need to do is to click on start puzzle, and they said pick the spiral galaxy. So this is the spiral galaxy, so I select that, and I'm asked another one, spiral galaxy. That's it. So you scroll down, you see create account. Click on create account. GitHub have sent some code to your email address, the one you registered with, okay? Now if you don't receive any code inside your email address, all you need to do is to click on the resend code, and the code will be resent to your email address, okay, or email box. All right, so I'm going to check my mailbox to see if the code is actually sent, okay? Now here is it. So I'm going to click on it, open that. So here is the code seated. So I'm going to copy this code, right click on it and copy. Go back to your GitHub and click on one of those boxes and press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste the whole code at once. But if you are using a cell phone, you can just type them one by one, okay, manually. So once that is done properly, you find yourself here. Welcome to GitHub. We are glad to have you. So here you can just do one or two things here. How many team members will be working with you? Continue. What specified features? So you can just fill all these kind of things. So I don't have time for this. So when you are done with those things, you can just come here and continue for free. And I'm done. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.